Here's one way to start saving the world. Removing invasive species. Coming right up. We've done it! We hit 100 subscribers! Woo! Look, we all want to make this world a better place. At least, I hope my viewers do. And one way that I've tried to take part in this responsibility is by making videos and pictures, whether this is going to be via YouTube or Instagram. By the way, you should totally check out my Instagram, down below. When I'm not doing video or photo editing, I have a full-time job. Luckily, it's close to my major. What I do is quite the mouthful, get ready. Ecological Restoration Technician. So what is that? So simply, I do ecological restoration work. Even more simply, I make the environment better. So the kind of tasks that I get assigned to do are going to be things like invasive species removal, erosion control, mulching, brush cutting, and planting. And some side projects here and there. So let's get on with it. I'm going to be showing you phase 1 of restoration, invasive species removal, according to the Green Seattle Partnership, of course. So I hope that you have found this video to be informative and helpful. If you are interested in going out and saving the world, or you're helping out your local community, what I recommend is to volunteer. There are so many opportunities for you to get out there and get your hands a little dirty. But for now, get out there and enjoy the beauty that's all around us. Thanks for watching. Peace.